Castle 240 RGB. Welcome guys to our quick unbox series. Today I just want to show you a visual inspection of the Castle 240 RGB. Now start off first with the socket mount. Now the socket mount supports mainstream Intel and AMD, which is perfect if you have either an AMD or an Intel. It comes with two fans. They are RGB, and this one is the 120mm fan. Just want to add there as well that I am using this specific AIO on my latest build. Now one thing you'll notice is the sleeve, the AIO tubes. Now the sleeving that's on there is color, it's actually light blue. The default one you'll get is black, so do not worry if you see that yours is different. That's the default one. Peace guys, cheers.